This is one for major kids, and this is Make the Video! Our first video is from Challengers 2, my sister Kayla and Dylan from Melbourne, Australia. They are going to show you how to make dumplings. So, Kayla and Dylan, take it away!
Oh, hey, you can see that.
Hey guys, I'm Kayla,
And I'm Dylan.
and we're gonna make dumplings today, which is the filling. We're gonna make dough for the filling and make little dumplings, and then we're gonna
Let's get started.
Alright guys, so we're going to make the filling. It's a little bit of minced pork. I'm gonna put spring onions, Chinese cabbage, and garlic and ginger. Start to give that a little mix. And then to season this, let's put soy sauce. This is sake. And sesame oil. Give that a nice little mix. And the last seasoning is just a little bit of salt and sugar.
Okay, so we're gonna start by pouring our water into the bowl. And then I'm gonna give it a mix, a little chopstick. And then you're gonna knead it.
So we're gonna knead our dough until it's really nice and smooth. And there we have it. Look at that. All right, now that our dough is smooth, we're gonna roll it out into kind of a log shape. So use the palms of your hands, and as you're rolling, just spread the palms of your hands further and further apart.
Okay, take your little marshmallow pieces and squish them down, and make sure to sprinkle some of that extra flour cornstarch mixture, and then take your rolling pin and gently roll it out. So what you're gonna do is start from the edges and roll, and each time you roll, just give it a little turn and roll it all the way around, slowly but surely. It's gonna get larger. Try to keep it circular. All right, now we're ready to fill these guys. Now that we have all of our wrappers rolled out, we're ready to do our filling. Just take a little bit of our mixture we made. Right in the center. And then take a little bit of water and wet just half of your circle on the edges. This will just help it seal. Then fold your dumpling right in half, like a half moon. And starting on one tip of your moon, squish down, do a little fold with one side. So one side is folded and one side is flat. And keep doing that. Pinch and fold until you've made it all the way around your dumpling to seal it up. Well, this part's pretty tricky, but it's also really fun. So I have all my folds. It's flat on one side, folded on the other, and it's ready to be cooked. So I want to show you guys another fold. If you want to try, there's so many different folds, just look on the internet. This one is a fun one. You put your filling right in the middle, you take water, and you seal all around the edges of your circle. Then you just fold it in half and seal it so you have a half moon. Then you wet one corner and you take your little ears and you fold them in. And there you go. Make sure you're putting lots of flour and cornstarch down so it doesn't stick. The worst thing is that you fold all these dumplings and then they stick together. So let's do that one again. So you're gonna make dumplings until all of your filling comes out. Or all of your wrappers. Whatever comes first. Fold it in half. A little half moon. Then water to seal. And tuck your ears in. All right, so we finished steaming our little dumplings. What do they look like? Let's try them. You go first?
So
They're really good. You can make dumplings with any filling, so be creative. You can make them any shape that you want. And then the dipping sauce recipe is under the video in the comment section. Let us know what you think. Thanks. See you later. I like your dad.